Okay, graph 3x minus 2y less than minus 6. So you should be able to graph inequality. To graph inequality, you just graph the line just like as this for equation. We did that also last time. So let's go ahead and graph that. To graph a line, we need 2 points. Let's take a look at that. X and Y. Alright, let's find the X and Y intercept. If X is equal to 0, what is Y, anyone? If X is equal to 0, you substitute for each X 0. What do we get for Y? Anyone? Okay, Samuel says type that we can write it in slope-intercept form. We don't really need to do that. We just substitute for each x0 and solve for y. So then we get 2y is equal to minus 6, so y is equal to 6 over 2, which is equal to 3. So here we find 1 point right there. Okay, let's find another point. If y is equal to 0, what is x, anyone? If y is equal to 0, what is x? Okay, answer type negative 2. So it would be negative 6 over 3, which is equal to negative 2. That is correct. Negative 2. So that's all we need are 2 points to graph this. So let's go ahead and graph this line here. So let's locate the 2 points. If x equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So your graph going to pass us through this point here. If x equal to minus 2, y is equal to 0. So your graph going to pass us through this point here. And the line going to be passed us through these 2 points. Now, we can make this a solid line if it says equal to. And then the other line if it doesn't say equal to. So let's make it equal to so it can have a solid line. Now the question is the solution is to the right or left of this line, or above or below this line? Can somebody tell me how we can find which side is the solution? Okay, anybody with the microphone, you can click on your mic and talk. Okay, someone says left, someone says above. What's the steps to find which side? And just let's put in standard formula. No, we don't have to do that. Yvonne says plug in 0, 0 in the equation. Yeah, we need to look at the test point. The best test point would be the origin, this point here. I want to check if this is a solution. If I substitute for each x 0 and each y 0 here, then I would get 0 minus 0, 0 is less than or equal to negative 6. Does that make sense? That 0 is less than negative 6? Yes or no, anyone? No. 0 is not less than, 0 is greater than negative 6, right? So it means this is not the solution, so the solution must be to the other side of the line. The solution must be this way. All the points above this line or to the left of this line would be the solution to this inequality. So that's how you can find out which side is the solution. Can I see a check mark in front of your name if you all can follow this, please? X, if you don't follow it, check mark if you can follow. Okay, good.